Hi, my name is Kendall Aragon. I'm here at the Joya flag workshop and just want to give a brief testimony of how it went. It was amazing. It was just really cool to learn about the heart behind this movement of just releasing freedom through dance. One of my favorite parts of it was just the freedom to just get the flag of your choice. And there's something significant for me. I got the blue flag, and God's been speaking to me about what the color blue means to me, and just to hear more about the heart of what dance could look like around the nations. My heart as a dance pastor within the community at Destiny House is to release joy through movement, and so to know that Joya Flags is all about creating that, and that was created today just inspires me to continue to go after my destiny and what God has called me to. So yeah, highly recommend coming to this workshop. It will inspire you. If not, it will just get you moving, and it's a great workout. So yeah, I bless you guys.